All right, guys, let me show you this really cool accessory that was sent out to me by STARTRC. This is for the Neo 2. This is an LED landing gear light. Let's open up the box. Let me show you guys exactly what you get in the box. Now, of course, you're going to get your little starter manual, but this is very self-explanatory. You also receive a USB-A to USB-C cable. Now, this is the actual light, and as you guys can see, it's very easy to turn on. You do have to manually turn this on. There's just one little button right here. You're just going to clip this on to the very bottom of the drone, and it shows you exactly where this is going to make contact. It's not going to block any of your sensors. So let's get to that. So as you guys can see underneath here, the way this is designed. All right, so a little close-up view. You guys can see how easily that clips in to the body, the frame. Your selection buttons here are accessible as well. So yeah, this is going to be really nice. It's going to give you additional space whenever you're landing, because what that's going to do is give you that additional clearance so that the drone does not land into, dirt, sand, mud. This is going to be great for night flights. You guys can see it's a pretty bright light. It's not the brightest light that I've ever seen, but for what we would normally use this for landing, to find, the center of your landing pad, this could be something very beneficial. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. I like the way this looks on here. It feels like it's a part of the drone. Same color. You don't see any deviation in the colors. So yeah, this looks really nice. I like this. I like this a lot. So this will probably live on this drone, provided it can fit in the box with it. So if you're looking for something like that, guys, for your drone, I think this is going to be a great idea. Definitely check it out. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.